Ever struggled with finding the perfect fit for your aftermarket parts? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Mechanics worldwide face the same challenge. Aftermarket parts can be a boon, offering versatility, variety, and value for money. But here's the catch: finding the perfect fit isn't always a walk in the park. It's a time-consuming task, akin to finding a needle in a haystack. You see, every vehicle is unique, with its own set of nuances, so finding a part that integrates seamlessly is often easier said than done. And let's not forget the risks involved. Get it wrong, and you could cause damage to the vehicle, or even worse, you could end up wasting money on parts that don't fit. So it's clear the challenge of aftermarket parts is real and it's significant. But what if there was a solution to this age-old problem? Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer in the world of aftermarket parts. Imagine a world where you don't have to spend hours poring over catalogs, websites, or through bins at your local auto parts store to find the perfect part for your vehicle. A world where the perfect match is just a click away thanks to AI. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the future of aftermarket parts. Let's take a look at a case study that illustrates this perfectly. An innovative tech company developed an AI system that works like a dream for aftermarket parts. This system leverages machine learning algorithms to match vehicles with the appropriate parts based on factors like model, make, year, and specific requirements. Imagine you're working on a vintage Ford Mustang, let's say a 1966 model. You need a specific part, perhaps a carburetor. In the old days, you'd have to comb through catalogs, call suppliers, and hope for the best. But with this AI system, you simply input the vehicle's details and your specific requirement. The system then sifts through millions of data